And here's how to send one-time view photo in WhatsApp conversation. Go ahead and open a WhatsApp chat or conversation, and now I'm tapping on this attach icon, and here I'm selecting gallery. And now from my gallery I'm selecting a random photo to send. Here at the bottom right, tap on this one icon, and here we can see photo set to view once. Now just send this photo, and that's how we can send one-time view photo. And now let's send a photo by capturing. So I'm tapping on this camera icon, and let's capture a photo. And do the same thing, tap on this one icon to enable one-time view and then send the photo. And now I'm going to switch my WhatsApp account, and let's open the conversation here. And as you can see, I successfully received one-time photo on my WhatsApp, and after viewing one time, photos will be automatically removed. Thanks for watching.